snap from Ravan. He wants to know how easy or difficult it was for you to play Jenny Fernandez.
Well, I mean, there are similarities in, the last name and, also being from a Christian family, being in that kind of a household. But at the same time, because I was playing a mother, that is something completely new to me and unknown to me as well. And also a mother who is playing for the lives of her daughter and her husband. So that also is definitely something very, very difficult to kind of pull off.
सिद्धार्थ, अक्षय सर ने एक इंटरव्यू में कहा था कि आपका एक्शन उन्हें काफी अच्छा लगा, तो ये बहुत ही बड़ा कॉम्प्लीमेंट था, तो उसके लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप जब उनसे इस तरह का कॉम्प्लीमेंट आता है आपके लिए?
बहुत खुशी होती है. आई थिंक ही इज बीइंग एक्सट्रीमली स्वीट एंड इंकरेजमेंट मिलती है, बिकॉज हमने बहुत समय बिताया है. सर को पता भी है कि मेरा बैकग्राउंड मार्शल आर्ट से नहीं है, तो आई थिंक काफ़ी खुशी मिलती है. और आगे जाके कोशिश करेंगे कि कुछ और करें, ऐसी एक्शन में कुछ बेहतर करें.
Siddharth, how easy it was for you to shoot with Akshay, as he shoots very early in the morning. He starts his schedule very early in the morning. So how did you manage your timing with his?
Early in the morning is not a problem for me. शूट के दौरान हम भी दोनों ही एक ही टाइम पे उठते थे. मैं अपने जिम में ट्रेन करके आता था सुबह 5 बजे तकरीबन सर आपके जिम से, और हम लोग 7 बजे तक शूट करते थे रोज. तो हमने ऐसे 50 दिन किया है. प्रमोशन भी हम लोग जल्दी कर रहे हैं, तो मुझे सुबह उठने में एक्चुअली अच्छा लगता है. अब तो मैं सर के साथ रह के दिखता है कि कैसे आपका काम जल्दी खत्म हो जाता है, तो आपके पास ज़्यादा टाइम होता है बाकी चीज़ें करने का. सुबह
7 से 2 कर लो, उसके बाद सारा दिन फ्री.
Yeah, it was amazing.
हमने प्रमोशन भी सुबह 6 बजे 6:30 बजे किया, और
ट्रैफिक नहीं मिलता.
एक बात बताना, आप हंस क्यों? क्यों सुबह 6:30 बजे 7 बजे काम नहीं करता? What time you used to go to school?
Sorry?
What time you used to go to school, ma'am?
By 6.
By 6? The people used to laugh. Just because it was school, that's why. I think it's a very funny question. Sometimes when people ask us, say, आप सुबह उठ जाते? ले तो बेटा सुबह नहीं उठेंगे तो कब उठेंगे? आप रात को जल्दी सो जाते हो? अबे जल्दी सोएंगे तो कब करेंगे? क्यों? I find it very, very amusing. Early morning we actually used to finish everything. 2 बजे तक सब कुछ खत्म हो जाता है, and the whole day actually is yours. And plus सुबह आप जब जाते हो काम पे, there's no traffic. आप जो आपकी जर्नी है, ट्रैफिक की वजह से जो 1.5 घंटा लगता है आपको जूहू से फिल्म सिटी पहुंचने में, वो आप 20 मिनट में निकल जाते हैं. और दोपहर because there's less traffic, आप घर जल्दी पहुंच जाते हैं. So how much time actually, and that is called time management. You have to learn that, and you can do that, and it is good for you. It is good for people.
Making the extra
That's
effort.
same question following with that time management. What you take home after working with Akshay sir?
He used to take my lunch.
Food, take home, keep it in
Lots of food.
lots of things to learn. Front of the camera तो of course है ही. I think behind the camera जिस बात कर रहे हैं, किस तरह से अपने लाइफ को हैंडल कर रहे हैं, how he handles his stardom, his things, his shoots, activities that he does in one day, the discipline that he has, team has, a lot to learn, and किस तरह से relax वे में उसको करते हैं. कोई मैंने अभी तक इनको stressed या गुस्से में ऐसा नहीं देखा दिन में. बहुत encouraging है एक यंग एक्टर के लिए कि आप इस मुकाम पे पहुंच सकते हैं और ऐसे रिलैक्स में.
Last 2 questions. Jacqueline, normally heroines on screen मॉम बनने के लिए थोड़ा सोचती हैं, समझती हैं कि क्या कैरेक्टर होगा, और अक्सर मना ही कर देती हैं. तो what's your take on that?
How are you playing a mom?
Honestly, I actually find it a very funny question. I'm not saying that I've not been guilty of actually thinking the same way, but when this role was actually on me, it made me reconsider a lot of things, and also the way we perceive certain characters. Like, playing the role of a mother can actually be a very, very beautiful thing. And keeping in mind that we have mothers of all ages.
Absolutely.
So I don't see why there should be a hesitancy to actually play the role of the mother. And it's a challenging role. It's a character. And if you as an actor can, go between playing a mother to playing a student to playing a teacher to playing whatever it is, then that just shows your range. And that's important for us. That's what keeps us alive, I think, as actors.
Jacqueline, apart from this topic, recently कल आप बर्थडे गया, तो आपने सुनने में आया कि आपने सलमान खान अक्षय कुमार के साथ बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट किया.
8 केक का 8.
Yes.
She cut 8 cakes.
From
I don't know कहाँ
midnight.
से आ रहे थे.
From midnight.
कहीं लेफ्ट जाए तो कोई केक लगे, राइट जाए फिर कोई आ जाता है.
उन्होंने क्या क्या प्रेजेंट किया?
अजी 14 तारीख को प्रेजेंट दे रहे हैं.
हाँ
Well, they've given us, yeah, they've given.
बहुत बड़ा सा 17
और क्या आज ही इसको दिखा
That
रहे
was
हैं
big enough. And we had a fantastic day yesterday, one of the longest days I've ever had in my life, because it started at 12 midnight, but it went on and everything, I think, was a lot of fun because these two were there, and yeah, and it was one of my best birthdays. Thank you, guys.
I would like to know your reaction to the recent AIB video which has come up with Irfan Khan.
I think it's very funny. I think it's in great humor, and I think he not only made fun of the song, he made fun of himself also because he himself has done that song. एक गाना किया था, मेरी फिल्म में किया था. Same kind of moves he did, and I think it's in a great humor.
That will probably be your last press interaction. So after the entire city tours and everything, what's that one question that you're completely tired of answering regarding brothers?
What is MMA?
No.
Then?
How was it working with
Yeah.
Siddharth? How was
कैसा
it
लगा?
with Jacqueline?
कैसा लगा आपको अक्षय सर काम करने में? कैसा लगा आपको जैकी?
Mine is what is MMA?
But nobody asked you explain.
But they're only asking us.
They asked me
You
once
must
today.
have
I was
you must have got tired of hearing it.
Yes, that's true. And I got
That's
asked
the
it
tough
today.
Jackie, what is MMA?
It's a mix of all the martial arts together in a blender.
In a blender.
अंडा होगा.
Yeah.
करने वाले हैं,
Protein.
उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए सर.
हाँ जी.
ड्रग एडिक्ट के बाद
Drug addict.
ड्रग एडिक्ट बन गया?
आप
Drugs?